Hey everyone, Mr. A here. I hope everyone's doing spectacular today. So, in today's video, I am going to be introducing you all to the conversation game. So, what does that entail? So, the conversation game is just a simple program where I have two different sprites talking to each other, right? So, let's go ahead and get that set up. At the moment, I only have one sprite, so let me go ahead and select another sprite to have a conversation with, right? So in this case, I'm going to choose any sprite I would like. So I'm going to go with the bat sprite, right? So now, let me relabel this to cat, right? So let's go ahead and start programming our sprites to have a conversation. So first things first, anytime you start a new line of code, we need an events block, right? So we're going to have in our events block, and we're going to have our cat say, hello, bat. Hello, bat. So let's go ahead and see how that looks like. Hello, bat. So my cat did say hello, bat, but the bat doesn't know that the cat has said anything yet. So that's where these broadcast blocks under the events blocks come in handy. So what these broadcast blocks do is it notifies all the other sprites that my sprite has said something. So we can either reply to the sprite or do a different program depending on what our goal is, right? So in this case, I want to broadcast my message. So when I broadcast, you're going to go ahead and hit this drop down menu and you're going to go ahead and create a new message. Anytime you're broadcasting a message, you want to broadcast a new message because each broadcast is unique to its own, right? So in this case, I'm going to say, hi, bat, as my broadcast, right? So now when I go to my bat, if we go back to our events block and you go ahead and grab when I receive hi bat, right? So now when I receive that message that was broadcasted, now it's up to us to either reply or do something else, right? So in this case, I'm gonna have my bat just say, hello, cat, and I'm gonna broadcast that so the cat knows that my bat said something, right? And anytime we create a new broadcast, go ahead and give it its unique name. And in this case, I'm just going to call it hi cat, right? So now my cat has said hello bat, broadcasts it, my bat receives it and replies with hello cat, right? So now we're having a conversation going. So let's keep that conversation going for us. So now when I receive hi cat, right? I'm going to have my cat reply with, how have you been? Question mark, right? So let's go ahead and broadcast that. Create a new message and I'm just going to call it update. So now when I go to my bat and I receive the update broadcast, I'm going to have my bat say, I've been good, right? So now when I go ahead and start my program, we start off with hello bat, broadcast it, say hello cat, broadcast that, and back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, right? So that's a pretty simple program of showcasing how the conversation game works. So a challenge for you all is I want you to create a program where you have two or more sprites having a minute or longer conversations between each other. So go ahead and send either a screenshot or a video showcasing that project. That concludes the end of this video, and I will see y'all on the next video.